Yo guys, today we're going to be, tonight, because this is my third upload of the day. Yeah, it's quite a lot of uploading. Today we're going to be playing a mod that I personally love. It says it right there. Russian Overkill. And this mod. I'll need to turn it down because my parents are asleep. So, yeah, they're going to get really annoyed if I get too loud and I have to start video over again, which has already happened. I'm not going to show you because I've just deleted the video. By the time this video goes out, I'm either going to be asleep or making another video or just watching a bit of YouTube. Now this mod brings hell. Wait, I'll turn the so I think I haven't gone on settings and stuff all that much. So we're gonna get drunk. I just turned it down so I can then. So I'm gonna choose random because that's what I always do. Vodka overdose, which is regular dooms ultraviolet. Let's go. So this mod really is an amazing mod. It is all about weaponry and just being invincible, tearing your enemies to pieces with totally overpowered guns. As you can see, I'm carving through people with firecrackers or something. I can't remember. I don't know the names of these guns. I don't care. I love this mod. Unlike some other people, this mod isn't a challenge. This is a mod. But you've had a rough day. You've had a rough day. You just want to take it all out. There are so many weapons. I'm just going to play a few levels for you guys. As you can see, yes, that is a sniper rifle, which is rapid fire. It's like Fortnite, the semi-auto sniper rifle. I don't do Fortnite things because I can't stream on my Xbox. Oh, I'm out of ammo. But yeah, in this game you feel like you're invincible. I actually haven't played too much Final Doom. That is a matter of fact. I prefer. I've played so much Ultimate Doom and Doom 2 that I get my because I've got Classic complete. Forgot about that bit. What key is that behemoth on? No. Okay, it's not there. Look at this. Look, bam, bam. And guys, have you seen the health bar that I have? Do you want to see what this gun does? Yeah. Basically, it's a shotgun assault rifle which can deploy health. And I'm literally clearing rooms with these weapons. And in a second, I'll go to IDKFA mode. I just died there. Yeah, I'll go to IDKFA mode and just show you a few of the weapons. So, as you can see, I got 100%. Human barbecue. But, we're not going to do this. So, there is a lot of weapons in this game. As I can see, I'm just going to press IDKFA. IDKFA. And we literally have every weapon in the game. I'm just going to give you a few of them. Yeah. What's better than a double barrel shotgun? Simple. Times that by 2. Core barrel shotgun. And what do you get after that if you press the Alt key? Yeah, that is right. A 16 barrel shotgun which can blast you off the map. This mod is so much fun. Oh this. Oh this. I can already see comments coming in of how the hell did you find this? Yeah. I've watched a few reviews of this game. I've looked through the comments of them videos. No bad suggestions. But they're only good. I'll show you a few more weapons on each key. Here is one of my favourites. Because some weapons have sayings. They say things. I'll show you some of the other weapons in a second. Here's one that I picked up earlier. Yep, it lags my computer. There's triple fire, which does this, which heals you. This weapon I love. It heals you. Look at this, look. It heals you. Sorry if I'm going a bit off topic and that, but look at this, look. You know what this is? Yeah, that's a grenade launcher attached to his hand, I think. It's an insane weapon. It'll kill me. Let's switch again. I know I can't really see much, but, you know, I'm gonna die probably. I need to switch weapons. Eh. This weapon, which seems to fire pills. What is this, a drug machine? Yeah, I want some cocaine. There is an alt fire, which I'm not going to show you because it is way too powerful. I will just be incinerated. Here, yeah, that's that really good weapon. I can't. Some weapons I just can't explain. Like, what is this? So if you see me fire this, what is that? Is that dart launcher? This mod is, yeah, they're a super weapon. And I almost killed myself. And again, and again. Oh, this is an insane mod. There's no number 90, but look at it. A BFG, which kills me if I'm close. This mod. I love this weapon.